Let me ask you something before we start. How would you express the feeling of a setting sun? Deep red slowly disappearing behind dark clouds. On the piano, it's not quite happy, not quite sad, it's powerful, emotional and mysterious. Now listen to this. Do you hear that color? The mix of darkness and light? That's the power of the Dorian mode. It's not just minor, it's not just a major, it's a lift in between. And today I'll show you how to use Dorian chords to unlock a completely new emotional world in your improvisation. Let's break it down. Dorian is basically the white keys from D to D. It's like a D minor scale, but with an important difference. Instead of a flat 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have a major 6, the note B. That single note changes everything. It makes the sound more open, more hopeful, and gives you a unique color to work with. When we build chords inside D Dorian, here's what we get. D minor, maybe with a 7, E minor with a 7, F major with a 7, G major with a 7, A minor with a 7, B half diminished, and C major with 7. The real magic happens when we stay centered around D and explore its Dorian flavor. So it's important to know chords and chord tangents. So I've created a free guide, 10 Secrets to Improvisation. It's completely free and it will help you build your improvisation. Step by step, chords, melodies, and storytelling, very important. You can grab it right now. A link is below in the description. So, even though we are working in a modal context, we can still think about tonic and dominant chords. I think you know, if you are in the C major scale, C major is the tonic chord and G major is the dominant chord. So you resolve G to C to go home. Same in D Dorian. D minor is our tonic chord, and you have two options to have a dominant-like tension using G or G7 or F major with a 7 to go back to home D. Let's use F and go home to D. Or let's use G major, let's go home to D minor. Or you can combine F and G like this. F, G, go home to D. Let's add some arpeggios. Once again. It's simple, but it has that modal tension and release built right in. Here's a great exercise. Play a chord with your left hand. And then explore with your right hand the Dorian scale. Don't worry about playing fast. Instead, listen to the color. Focus on that major 6. It's what gives Dorian its unique glow. Take your time. Next, let's add some motion, using arpeggios in both hands. So play in your left hand D, and D in your right hand too. But here's a little twist. Use the 4 in your right hand and play both. Very interesting sound. Let's go to G major. Same, and use the 4. Let's go to F. Use the 4. Go to all chords. This creates a flowing texture that's perfect for improvisation and finger control. Or try this one. Second inversion. In your right hand use the 4, and in your left hand use the 9. Very interesting. Use the next chord. Here's the 4 in the right hand and the 9 in the left hand. Now let's move forward building real music. In your left hand, keep your chords, block chords or arpeggios. And then with your right hand, start shaping melodies. Combine stepwise motion, like this, moving to neighboring notes, and use leaps. Jump to the E, jump to the C, or in G, jump to the E, or jump to the F. That's how you build contrast, tension, and emotional expression. I think you know, improvisation isn't just about notes, it's about telling a story. Let me show you a short example. Start quietly, just a few simple notes of a D minor, a G, then add rhythm and intensity, maybe repeat the motive. Then build it to a climax, like this. And then gently resolve back to D. Oh, that's a story arc, beginning, middle and end. And when you approach improvisation this way, it becomes emotional and memorable. So, that's the power of Dorian chords. They can transform a simple one into something expressive and emotional, deeply musical, like that red sun fading behind the clouds. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more improvisation lessons, and don't forget to grab your free guide 10 Secrets to Improvisation. Link is right below. Thanks for watching and keep exploring beautiful worlds of Dorian.